Hey folks, welcome back to our kitchen. Chef Oswald here, and today I'm thrilled to guide you through creating a scrumptious dish that's a favorite among many, vegan mac and cheese. Let's dive into the culinary magic. Here are the ingredients to make this delightful and plant-powered comfort food. Let's start by cooking 2 cups of elbow macaroni according to the package instructions. Once done, drain the pasta and set it aside. In a pot of boiling water, add 1 cup each of peeled and diced potatoes and carrots. Cook until they're tender, approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Now let's create the creamy cheese sauce. In a blender, combine the boiled potatoes and carrots with ½ cup of raw cashews, 1/3 of a cup of nutritional yeast, 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil or vegan margarine, 1/4 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, ½ teaspoon of onion powder, and season with salt and pepper. Blend until you achieve a smooth, velvety consistency. Pour the luscious cheese sauce over the cooked pasta, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated. Gently toss until the flavors marry together perfectly. Your vegan mac and cheese is now ready to delight your taste buds. Now I will give you some extra twist to make your mac and cheese even more special. Top it with a sprinkle of nutritional yeast, a dash of black pepper, or some fresh herbs for that extra flair. For those who love a baked version, transfer your mac and cheese to a baking dish, sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top, and bake in the oven at 175 Celsius degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until it's gloriously golden and bubbly. There you have it. A creamy, dreamy bowl of vegan mac and cheese, ready to be enjoyed guilt-free. Feel free to get creative with additional veggies, perhaps some vegan bacon, or a dash of hot sauce to suit your taste. I hope you have a fantastic time preparing and savoring this plant-based masterpiece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this recipe with your fellow food enthusiasts. Let us know on the comments which recipes you would like to see here. Until next time, happy cooking!